Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make waffle recipe, full guide. Start by gathering ingredients and preheating your waffle iron to the recommended setting. Whisk eggs, sugar, and melted butter until combined, then fold in dry ingredients gently to avoid deflating the batter. Let the batter rest briefly while the iron reaches temperature. Use a ladle to pour batter and close the iron firmly for even cooking and perfect golden color. Whipping egg whites separately gives your waffles lift and a tender crumb, and folding them in gently preserves that airiness. Use a medium-thick batter that pours slowly but holds shape on the iron to create deep pockets for syrup and toppings. If batter is too thick, add milk 1 tablespoon at a time until it reaches the desired consistency. Remember, salt balances sweetness, so a pinch enhances overall flavor without overpowering. Cooking waffles to the right crispness is a simple habit that changes everything, so watch for reduced steam and a deep golden color before opening the iron. Use a low oven at 200 degrees F with a wire rack to keep waffles crisp without sweating until serving time. Stack waffles with parchment between them to preserve texture, and offer a variety of toppings like fruit, syrup, and whipped cream to please different tastes at the table.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.